Welcome to another fabulous episode of Pay It Forward. Today's episode is going to be extra special. You remember the episode in which we talked about Joylene Pereira and her venture Sunshine Jewels? I just received my package for the jewelry that I had ordered from Sunshine Jewels and I am so excited to open it. Yes! Alright, let's open this. I'm very scared to tear it. Okay. So this was a very big order. I have a lot of neck pieces and I have a lot of earrings. Alright, now it's empty. Let's remove this. Okay, so now that we are done with all our unboxing, we have all our khazana over here. So let's see what the packet contains, and then I'm going to do a little photo shoot small little clips of myself wearing this jewelry, and you can see and know how it looks on me, and then you can go to Sunshine Jewelry and buy their jewels. Alright, let's go. I'm so excited. Okay, so first I have this. I don't know whether it focuses on this thing. Okay, I think it is a bracelet. Joylene told me that she's going to give me a surprise, and I think this is the one. Oh my god, it is so cute. Okay, I'm just going to show it to you like this. Look at this. Isn't it cute? The bracelet, so pretty. All right, let's move on to the next one. Guys, this is like after so many years I am buying jewelry for myself. I never buy jewelry because I got a lot of it when I got married, and I'm not a big fan of jewelry as such. So I have like basically 2 pairs of earrings and 2 pairs of necklaces. You must have seen me wearing this all the time. Okay, so I ordered a lot of earrings because that's one piece of jewelry that I really like, and Joylene makes some amazing earrings. Look at this. Isn't it amazing? Oh my god, this is so pretty. Wow, this is super awesome. Yeah, look at this. Amazing. I have a lot more of these jewelry. Look at these. They are cute. Aren't they? They are so cute. Look at it. Yes, I ordered a lot of earrings. These are amazing. Somehow I feel that the triangle wala shape wala jewelry is super awesome. I love it. I'm gonna wear it and show it to you how it is. Just let me look at all of them. They are so pretty. Look. Oh wow, these are so cute. Look at that. Aren't they cute? Wow. Look. Very pretty. Okay, these are really funky. Wow, these are so funky. Look at them, they are so cute. I love dangling earrings. They kind of enhance your features, don't they? I love them. Then I have these big hoop earrings. Look at them. Aren't they cute? They are so cute. They are going to look so good. Okay, those are the earrings. Okay, now let's move on to the neck pieces. I ordered 2 neck pieces, I think. Let's see. Okay, this is the one that I felt was really, like traditional and very raw, sort of. I'll show it to you. Wait, this is the one. Look at the pendant and these little parrots over here. It's very cute, and I think it will go with a lot of traditional clothes, This is, I think this is yarn, but yeah, it's so cute. Okay. Alright, then there's this entire set of earrings and a neck piece. So before making these, Joylene asked me which my favorite colors were, and I told her I really like yellow and blue, and she made these earrings for me from yellow and blue, and they are so beautiful. They are so beautiful. And iske saath I have this matching neck piece. This is the one. Joylene, you are amazing. These are so good. Thank you so much. Oh god, they are so pretty, yaar. So pretty. Okay, so guys, now that we are done unboxing everything, let me go and try them out and I'll show it to you how it looks. Okay, you guys, this is Monica from the future. Like a complete dunderhead, I forgot to film the outro of this video, or probably I just filmed it and forgot about it. So yes, this is Monica from the future, and these are all the knit pieces and the earrings that I ordered from Joylene and from her venture Sunshine Jewels, and I think all of them look lovely. And now these are some of the pictures that I took of myself wearing the earrings and the neck pieces, and don't I look adorable if I say so myself? If you like any of these pieces and if you would like to explore more of what Sunshine Jewel offers, please go to the link in the description section of this video. I have also done a completely separate video describing Joylene's journey to this venture, and you can also check out that video. I'll be linking it along with the link to Joylene's store in the description section. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for joining me today in this wonderful unboxing of jewelry, and I'll see you next time. Until then, love and light to you. Bye bye.